I have always said that the most important things to me in life are good, real food, and then the people you share it with. Nothing brings people together like food. There's a quote by my all-time favorite author, J.R.R. Tolkien, that says, "If more of us valued food and cheer and song above hoarded gold, then it would be a merrier world." And to me, this is everything. I want to inspire and teach and just bring people into the world of food because it's such a beautiful and delicious place to be. And I've always strived to use only the best, most fresh, seasonal ingredients because a great dish starts with great ingredients. I'm Kyndra, and I'm here to share with you my all-time favorite recipes, tips and tricks, family secrets, cozy comfort food, and a whole lot of indulgent desserts, always made with love.